So we've got some webbing going on. Alright, we're getting a few of our little flying things, but I'm not seeing many, not like the old days. You'll see a few though. I want to get in here and take a look at this. Last week I was here. It had a huge, huge web. I really should have taped it. I should have. I do it all the time. But let's get in there. This, in my opinion, is a web. And these are some sort of spiders of some sort. They come out of those. If something's near, they really do. And they'll attack it. And they'll do it in such a quickness you won't believe it. I don't even know if they're spiders. I have no idea. There's something in these pods or whatever. If it's even the same kind. I'm not sure, but I like to watch them. And that's as close as I can get. And, yeah, they're amazing, aren't they? I'm going to take you somewhere, well, maybe not. I'm going to probably go into the archives of mine, and I'm going to pull you out something to show you for new people, so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I call these spiny critters. But these are in the air. Yep. And there's bunches and bunches. This is the place where the webbing is. And there's elephants here and, you know, safari stuff. It's pretty cool. But, yeah, it's kind of freaky, you know, to look at. First time I saw this, I didn't know what to think. I really didn't. I was in shock. And I thought, wow. When I'm walking around in the dark, am I breathing these things in? You know? Because obviously you can't see them. On the webcam, you can catch a lot of stuff. But with your naked eye in the dark, my goodness. What a thought. But I'll let you see this for a second. Because it's so amazing and unusual. I've already shown this before. But this is for new people who haven't seen it before. Yeah. Here's a couple things they call them. Right off the top of my head, I'm coming up blank. So, alright. There's my share. Pretty cool, isn't it? Gross, shocking, and cool. All at the same time.